better coping skills. All these are developed. Okay. How to put a positive spin. This is very, very important. Okay. I'll.
हाँ तो लगाया आप. Nice.
Negative self-talk. ये देखो. I've never done it before. I've never done it before. इसका positive क्या होगा? Positive spin क्या होगा? It's an opportunity to learn something new. Okay? मुझे नहीं मालूम शायद. मैंने से it's an opportunity to learn something new. मैं ये नहीं करना चाहता because I've never tried this before. Is a negative, a pessimism. Okay? Negative. It's too complicated. What do we say? Let's look at it from a different angle. Negative. I don't have the resources. Let me. Necessity is the mother of invention. Let me see. अगर मुझे क्लासरूम ही चाहिए होता तो I would have not done this workshop at all, this class at all. एक रूम में बैठ के यहाँ कर रहे हैं. This called what we call as resource management. कुछ भी हो, okay? There is not enough time. मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. बोलते हैं ना? Let me prioritize my. Let's reevaluate some priorities. कुछ डिस्कार्ड कर सकते हैं क्या? Are you really busy? Can we make a checklist which gives me more priorities? Okay. There's no way it will work. There's no way it will work. ये बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. ऐसे, right? I'll find people who can help me, or I'll find a ways that can make me do this. Right? It's good enough. It's good enough is a negative statement.
It's also complacent.
Yes. Okay. I can make it better. There's always room for improvement. Is a positive spin. Okay. Never ever be contented with something what you have. Keep improving. Don't be greedy. लालच नहीं रहना, लेकिन डेवलप होते रहना. Okay. It's too radical a change. Too radical a change.
Fast.
Let's take a chance. Okay. वो मेरे से नहीं होता, इतना नहीं होता. Let me take a chance. Risk taking low, लेकिन calculative risk low, and be prepared for the consequences. Okay. No one bothers to communicate with me. This is a statement of low self-esteem. मैं से कोई बात नहीं करना चाहता. दो लोग अगर विस्पर कर रहे हैं तो मेरे बारे में ही कर रहे हैं शायद. दो लोग हंस रहे हैं तो शायद मेरे बारे में हंस रहे हैं, मेरे ऊपर हंस रहे हैं. That's the statement. Okay.
मेरे ऊपर
My parents love my younger sibling more than me. Okay.
उसको
That
सब
is
कुछ
a
देते
lower
मेरे को नहीं
self-esteem.
देते.
करेक्ट.
Right? I don't look nice. I have very less head hair on my head. Okay. I have less brain. I don't look nice. I don't have a good voice. These are the low self-esteem feelings. Okay. Whatever you are good. You are good.
वही
Yeah.
haircut.
Okay. You just have to believe in yourself. That's all. Right? No one bothers to communicate with me. I'll see if I can open the channels of communication.
खोल के रखा.
I'm not going to get any better at this. इससे ज़्यादा मेरे से नहीं होगा. I'll give it one more try. One more try, not 1 or 2 or 3 times. Okay, like an ant. Like an
One try less.
Okay, thousands and thousands of times till you succeed. I'm never going to learn how to manage my stress. Okay, I'm going to try to learn how to manage my stress by opening new avenues. Right? If you tend to have negative outlook, don't expect to become an optimist overnight. Right? But eventually, your self-talk will automatically contain less self-criticism and more self-acceptance. अपने आप को मत कोसो, अपने आप को accept करने का कोशिश करो, और try to become better.
I'm the worst person नहीं बोलना.
Okay?
उल्टा घोटा को.
Practicing positive self-talk will improve your outlook. You cannot change things outside. You can change your outlook towards life.
Somebody accept us. We should
You can
accept
change your
ourselves
outlook
as we
towards
are.
life. अगर आपको नेगेटिविटी है, नेगेटिविटी सब कुछ दिखता है, आपको टेररिज्म दिखेगा, करप्शन दिखेगा, डर्ट दिखेगा. Okay, it's your choice. According to me, the world is a beautiful place to live with so many beautiful, very nice, sweet people. I don't want to bother about terrorists or people who are unpleasant to me. Okay, because I have very, very short life and I cannot afford to waste my time thinking or about unnecessary things which make me go down.
There is a famous statement. Your world is what you see the world.
Yes. Okay, it's up to you how you want to change your outlook. That's more important. Right?
Mind system.
Now, before I start the question answer session, I want to make one statement. After this, you must have understood some things. I hope it was a good session.
Beautiful,
Like
it was lovely.
Yeah. Now, इसके बाद अगर आपको कुछ doubts हैं, बाद में आएंगे questions. I will give you my email ID. You can mail me. Okay? And
Patience.
have yeah, and give me some time to reply.
Phone number?
Don't mind sitting on my head. Don't feel bad sitting on my head because I keep conducting classes, lots and lots of classes, so I might not be able to reply promptly always.
Every Sunday.
Okay, so you can mail me, and if you don't get reply in 2 days time, mail me again. Sit on my head. Don't think that Satish क्या सोचेगा, right? Second thing, please trust me and my confidentiality. I am a person who will not reveal your information to anybody else. I am telling you in the presence of your parents, in the presence of your kids. आपके बारे में आप जो बोलोगे मैं आपके बच्चों को नहीं बताऊंगा. आपके बच्चे अगर आप बताओगे तो just because your mother is close to me, I will not tell. Trust me. I swear on God, I am very, very good at maintaining confidentiality.
If at all they don't have the email, suppose अभी
Internet.
कोमला है and madam is
जब मैं
there.
मिलूंगा प्लीज फोन पे मैं मैसेज करो, आई बी अवेलेबल. फोन पे बात मुझसे नहीं होगा बिकॉज एवरी टाइम मैं क्लासेस में रहता हूँ. हार्डली बीच में मुझे 2-3 घंटा मिलता है. मैं राइट फ्रॉम 6 o'clock मॉर्निंग टू नाइट 8 o'clock 10 o'clock मेरे क्लासेस चलते रहते हैं. ओके, सो आई विल बी नॉट बी एबल टू कॉल, आई मीन टॉक टू योर फोन. अगर मैं फ्री हूँ यस, बट यू नेवर नो, नॉट आई नो व्हेन आई एम फ्री.
अच्छा, एक काम कर सकते हैं, एक काम कर सकते हैं आप.
You message me and I'll reply.
नहीं.
Definitely.
See.
You just have to give a reference. Just say your name and say Nara. I'll understand. Okay.
Satish.
Because there might be common name. Say Satya. If he says I'm Satya, Satya could be a number, right? If he says Satya Nara, I will understand.
Sunny.
Right?
for me, so I got to write Nara. Oh,
लिख दिए तो क्या जाता है?
लिख देना.
Yeah.
देख अभी नेगेटिव से पॉजिटिव करो उधर को.
नहीं, नथिंग लाइक दैट. आई मीन अगर आपको ईगो प्रॉब्लम है कि मैं
नरा
नरा
का-
का नाम ही यूज करूं, व्हाई नॉट नरा यूज माय नेम.
ठीक है, then right, नाराज भाभी. नाराज भाभी बोल के.
The famous trainer Dr. Wayne Dyer defines ego as edge God out. You are edging God out of your mind and
The
body
mind, body.
by encouraging that ego.
Ego.
I factor.
Uncle.
Okay. Second thing, जो भी आप बोलोगे, I'll try my best to give you a convincing answer. Okay? Till you get convinced. My request is, if you do not agree with me, feel
Please.
free to contradict me. Feel free to say that Satish, you are wrong. Okay? I will convince you. If I don't get convinced, I will agree with you and I'll apply your point. But if I convince you, if you get convinced, you must apply that in your life. आप प्लीज सुन के यहाँ से मत निकालो. अप्लाई करो एंड दिस गोइंग टू चेंज योर लाइफ कंप्लीटली.
एक मिनट.
बोल.
अंकल एक मिनट. आप बोल रहे थे कि अगर आपको पॉलिटिक्स में ये अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा तो यू कैन चेंज द वर्ल्ड. कैसे
नहीं,
अंकल?
you can't change them. You change yourself. You can't change anybody.
चेंज करना है तो एक पूरा बड़े बड़े ग्रुप को लेके जाओ और प्रोटेस्ट करो, इतना करो कि गवर्नमेंट उतर जाए.
और अपना government
आपको
बनाओ.
इस काबिल बनाओ कि you join the government and you become a process
Yes.
of good change.
वही करना है.
अच्छा.
Got it?
वही की रास्ता.
Satish, can I ask you one thing? The only thing is that now you have made us understood what energy and what choice,
Yes.
what is introspection,
Everything
self-talk.
depends on you. My essence is your brain is in your hands, your feelings are in your hands, your future is in your hands.
Now,
You cannot repair your past at least you can make your present and future better. Please do that.
Satish.
Whatever doubts come your way, please
Yeah.
most welcome to ask me.
Satish, you have given an option of email.
Yes.
The other is message also. Can you give another option as you have taken out time now? You are so kind that you have taken out time for us. The same people, any place, either at Satya's place, Khaisa
I can
place.
say yes now, but I can't commit.
No, don't commit. Whenever you get time,
Most
because
I'll be
no,
most
whenever
happy to do it.
whenever you
But-
get time, if you inform us, we will see. I also know that these people also will be having time because we need
मेरा
this
कैसे
as.
रहता मालूम?
हाँ,
मेरा कैसे रहता? मैं घर में भी क्लासेस बोलता, लेकिन आई हैव कन्वर्टेड देम टू ऑनलाइन ट्रेनिंग बिकॉज
Yeah.
मेरा इमीडिएटली मुझे पता चलता है कि नेक्स्ट मैं 15 मिनट्स फ्री रहूंगा, तो इमीडिएटली आई कॉल देम एंड आई आस्क देम टू कम ऑन स्काइप.
मालूम है, आई नो
हाँ.
दैट यस्टरडेज का जो आप बोल रहे थे सुसाइडल,
ऐसे ही
हाँ,
हाँ.
वैसा नहीं मैं चाहता क्योंकि अभी ये लोग जितने भी एक्यूमुलेट हुए, टुडे यू हैव ओपन, नाउ वी डोंट हैव एनी, सी इफ एट ऑल यू गिव अस अ चॉइस, we have a choice that we can think about ourselves and we can try gaining this knowledge, what is positive and negative. Because you being a mentor and guide, now you have opened us, we'll have more belief and try to learn the things very easily. So anytime hereafter, I know that these many people have come now, they might not turn up next time, but anytime hereafter, if you can take out, you have some time and you can give it to us, I swear I'm telling you, at any place, I'll try. Who all are the rest interested person, we can
Yes,
come.
I will do it. I will do it.
Thanks.
Wholeheartedly I'll do it. लेकिन don't be restricted to yourself. अगर एक person ही आता है, अगर if he comes at your place when I'm there, you don't have to put more efforts to call everybody.
नहीं.
And if it doesn't happen, cancel this program.
ना वैसा नहीं.
Let him open up.
It's a single person also.
It can be one to one.
Yeah.
It can be a group. जब जैसे होगा वैसे ही करेंगे.
आपको जब भी टाइम मिला, बिकॉज आई नो दैट लास्ट टाइम से ये टाइम 3-4 बार आपके चेंजेस हुए, एंड वंस वी हैव इंट्रोड्यूस, बिकॉज दीज ऑल थिंग्स वी हैड, नाउ वी नो वी हैव इट बिकॉज यू हैव शोन अस हाउ टू यूज इट. इफ यू टेल अस विथ योर एक्सपीरियंस, विल नॉट टेक अस
आपको
टेक
बाद
टाइम.
में डाउट्स आएंगे कि इस पर्टिकुलर सिचुएशन में मैं इसको पॉजिटिव कैसे ले सकता हूँ. इट इज़ नॉट इन माई हैंड्स. अगर लगा तो प्लीज़ शेयर इट विथ मी. हाउएवर, इफ यू थिंक, if you trust my confidentiality, please share it with me. No compulsions. If you think I can help you, I may not be able to give you solution, but I may definitely give you a positive perspective, an opportunity at least to introspect. Okay? इससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है ज़रूर बता पाऊंगा मैं, उतना तो कॉन्फिडेंस है मुझे. और आपको लगता है कि मैं हेल्प करूं, नो एज बार, इतने बच्चे से लेके बूढ़े लोगों तक कोई भी, anybody in this room can individually contact me. Okay? I'll give you my email ID. I'll give you my